Hi everyone, welcome to GMR Academy. Today we are going to learn in spite of or despite, though, although, even though, even if, then violate. Let's begin. Though, although, and even though or even if, these are conjunctions, and in spite of is a prepositional phrase. Despite, which is a preposition. Although, which is to mean but or however when you are commenting on a statement. What is despite or in spite of? Which means use it to show that something happened or is true, although something else might have happened to prevent it. Two opposing statements such as Ram is poor and he donates a fund to the charity. These two statements could be combined as though Ram is poor, he donates a fund to the charity, or in spite of being poor, Ram donates a fund to the charity. Although, even though, you can use these words to show contrast between two clauses or two sentences. Though is used more in spoken than in written English. You can use although, even though, and though at the beginning of a sentence or clause that has a verb. Notice where the commas go. Example, although or even though or though everyone played well, comma, we lost the game. Or we lost the game, comma, although or even though or though everyone played well. Let's see structures and usage. Though, although or even though requires subject plus verb and so on. What is the structure of in spite of or despite? In spite of or despite plus noun form or plus V1 ing form or plus being adjective plus subject plus verb and so on. Examples. Once you see the picture, it is raining. He doesn't take umbrella. The two statements are contrast opposing. Actually, if you go in rain, obviously you should have an umbrella. But here it is raining, he doesn't take umbrella. Combine those two statements using though. Though it is raining, he doesn't take umbrella. Or he doesn't take umbrella though it is raining. The same statement try with in spite of. In spite of raining, raining is here V1 ing as it is. In spite of raining, he doesn't take umbrella or he doesn't take umbrella in spite of raining. More examples. The boy is ill but he goes to school. Here, two actions are opposite. The boy is ill. Generally, if anybody feels ill, takes rest. But here, the boy goes to school. Going to school is an opposite action instead of taking rest. Now here, these two statements could be combined using although or in spite of. Although the boy is ill, he goes to school. Or the boy goes to school although he is ill. Despite being ill, here ill is an adjective. We should use according to structure despite or in spite of plus being adjective. Ill is an adjective, so despite being ill, the boy goes to school, or the boy goes to school despite being ill. Next example, there is the law, however, people are using phones while driving. Here, two opposite statements. There is the law, so that everybody should follow it. That is quite common. But here, some people are not following, though the law is. That is opposite concept. So, could be combined with although or despite. Although there is the law, people are using phones while driving, or people are using phones while driving, although there is the law. Using despite. Despite the law, people are using phones while driving, or people are using phones while driving despite the law. Despite the law, despite plus noun, the law is noun. So according to structure, despite plus noun we should use. Next example, yesterday's online test was easy, but she did not answer well. Here, generally, test is easy or test was easy. Many people or most of the people were able to answer well. But here, she did not answer well. Could be combined with although or even though, as well as in spite of or despite. She did not answer well even though yesterday's online test was easy, or even though yesterday's online test was easy, she did not answer well. Using in spite of. In spite of the easy online test yesterday, she did not answer well, or she did not answer well in spite of the easy online test yesterday. Next example, he is rich but he is not happy. Combine with though. Though he is rich, he is not happy, or he is not happy though he is rich. Despite being rich, he is not happy. In spite of being rich, he is not happy. Here, rich is an adjective. So, being rich is used according to structure. Let us see in spite of the fact that or despite the fact that. In spite of or despite the fact that plus subject plus verb. The fact that clause. Examples, he is rich but he is not happy. Using though. Though he is rich, he is not happy, as we know. In spite of being rich, he is not happy. Using in spite of fact that. In spite of the fact that he is rich, he is not happy. Next example, it was raining. The football team continued their training session. Could be combined using in spite of the fact that. Despite the fact that it was raining, the football team continued their training session. That clause we should use. Next example, he refused to help me. I asked him several times. Using in spite of or despite the fact that. He refused to help me in spite of the fact that I asked him several times. Let's see even if and as if and even though. Don't write not even although. What is meaning of even if, which means whether or not. As if means in a way that suggests something. Even though means in spite of the fact that. Let's see examples. For even if. I'll get there even if I have to walk. He is a great leader even if he has many enemies. Next examples for as if or as though. It is my birthday as if he did not know. he behaved as if or as though nothing had happened. Let's compare even though and even if. Take an example. Even though James doesn't speak Telugu, I think he should still visit Andhra. What is meaning? Despite the fact that he doesn't speak Telugu, which means the speaker I know that James doesn't speak Telugu. Next one. Even if James doesn't speak Telugu, I think he should still visit Andhra, which means whether or not he speaks Telugu. The meaning is the speaker I don't know definitely whether James speak Telugu or not. Dear children, I hope you understand today's topic in spite of or despite, even though, although, as if, as though, even if, etc. I request you all to subscribe to my channel GMR Academy and don't forget to press the bell button for more updates and like the video, share the video link with your friends. Thank you. Have a great day. God bless you all. Thanks for watching.